In this video, I'm going to show you how to sum an entire row or column in Microsoft Excel. So typically, if you wanted to add up numbers in either a row or a column, what you would do is click on one of your empty cells and press the equal sign, then type in the word sum in capitals, open in bracket, and then you would just need to highlight the numbers that you wanted to add up. So let's say, for example, these are the numbers that we wanted to add, then press enter, and as you can see, that's going to add up all of the numbers in this column. However, what would we need to do if we wanted to add up this entire column, so that way when we add more numbers down here, it's automatically going to apply to this sum? Well, how to do that is to come back over to this cell, and we're just going to get rid of what we just typed here, and we're going to type in equal sign sum, open in brackets, and this time we're going to click at the top of the cell that we want to add up. So in my case, it's going to be this B number up here. Once you have all of this selected like so, hit enter. And as you can see, this will add up everything that's being typed into this B column. So for example, if I now add another number to the bottom of this, you'll see this number over here automatically change. And obviously we can do this with both rows and also columns. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.